Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of November 2021. In this video, we'll be looking at your only and only love energies. So for those people who are here who are not here for the love energies, I'm really sorry for that because today I am really getting strong love energies and because of that I am wearing my romantic t-shirt as well. So let's see your energies for the love today. Okay, so this is going to be a situational based reading. If the situation does not match with you, so this is definitely not your reading. Okay, so you can just discontinue watching this video if this is not your situation. So what love energies are my Geminis having this time in the month of November with their person and them? Okay, so let's see what is going on for my Geminis. So your person's energy towards you. Okay, so let me see. Okay, wow. Okay. So we have Ace of Swords, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups. Okay, so there is some clarification which I feel that your person needs. Either your person has already got the mental clarification or they are in search of some mental clarification. They want, with the 10 of Pentacles, they want a permanent relationship with you, like a secure and long-term stable relationship with you. But at the same time, they are not happy with their past. Okay, they are still disappointed whatever has been done, whatever was done in the past. It might be with you, it might be with somebody else in this thing, but that emptiness and that sadness is still there, and they really want to cope up that sadness and that emptiness. So that is why if they are not talking to you, if they are in a situation where they are really not showing that much interest the way they have showed you before, there is something which they are going through. Okay, so this is something which you need to understand, because they love you, but at the same time they are not in that state what exactly is happening with them, because they are really empty from inside. Let me see some more energies, what they are going through. 3 more cards I want for my persons, for my Gemini's person. Okay. Okay. So we have the Devil, we have Page of Pentacles, and we have the King of Swords. I feel that they are really in a position where they cannot control. I feel somewhere that this situation of yours is getting dealt by a third party situation as well, because at one place they are really attracted towards you and they really want to take this relationship to the next level, but at the same time they are with somebody, or there is someone around them with whom they cannot ignore. It can be a family member as well, but something is going along with them which they cannot ignore, and they cannot ignore you. So they are in the middle of two things and they cannot ignore any of you too. So that is what they are doing. They are thinking about a more practical plan, which you both need a practical plan for taking the things, for making the things your way. And I really get an energy of that they will definitely find some or the other plans, whatever plan or some or the other solution. They will definitely plan it, and they will definitely find the solution of the problems you both are facing. Let me clarify your energies now. What is there for my Geminis? What are the energies of my Geminis towards their person? Okay, so we have the Emperor energy. Okay, so this is something, a decision making card, which we always say that whatever you are doing, that is the best for you. Okay, you are not there to sit and to relax and to see what your person is saying, that okay fine, do that only, whatever it feels like that. So you decide for yourself. You do not let other people decide for you. This is a very good thing, because you support also your person, you support your person as well as you decide for both of you. So this is a decision making energy which might not be in their part, because they are just planning and planning and thinking, but at the same time you are the one who is actually taking the decisions of both of you. um, we have the Three of Wands also. So see, this is how things, your plans go into reality, because you see it finally happening. You know, you are the one who is coming to take things out, to think, to make things real. Whatever is real, your planning, your efforts will pay off, okay, and they are paying off. So I see movement in your energies more than theirs. See, the world energy. So you want to take this relationship to the next level. You are the one who is moving forward in this relationship. They are stuck. I don't see them taking strong decisions, but the Wands and the Emperor and the world energy has come up in your side. So you are the ones who is making the decisions. They are slow. They are planning. They are slow. Although they want you, they love you, but they are slow. They are making up their mind. They do not have clarity enough right now, because they do not know, because they are still stuck in the past somewhere, and this stuck is making a lot of time, taking a lot of time to move, to give them any clarity right now. Okay, so I feel that some practical decisions are really needed from their end. Let me check the final outcome of the situation for the month of November. So these are the November energies which I'm checking. Okay, so let's check your future energies with this. Okay, so Two of Swords. I see some of the situation. I see that there is still lingering on in the situation. I see that the choosing thing which is in their end, because you have chosen one. Okay, you are the one that I want you and I want to be with you forever in my life, and but the choosing thing has not done. In the month of November, they might be trying to linger on the same situation with the Queen of Pentacles, because the things are slow. I don't see them taking it fast. They will love you, okay, love is there definitely, but they are not ready to take it to a action oriented zone. It's more like a stable, a slow process, which is going and going. And I'm seeing with the Two of Wands, I'm seeing planning again in their end. Your end is you're choosing, but there is planning in their part. Okay, tell me something more about my Gemini. I want to see your energies more, Gemini. I don't know, but wow, Nine of Cups. So you are the positive one. I feel that you are the one who tells them, okay, so be positive, show gratitude to the universe that we have met each other, but they are always like, you know, there are so many problems. How will we find out solutions of these problems? They are more into negative. Basically, it's not they are negative, they are surrounded by negativity more. So this is why in the month of November, I'm not seeing a proper planning which has been done by them, because you have planned, but what you are planning, you cannot tell them, because they cannot take actions according to that. You are telling them the actions. Okay, so take this action, now take this action, but they are not able to take those actions because they cannot. It's really hard for them, might be because of the surroundings they are in, which is really not positive surroundings for them right now, and this is the reason of a little less communication and stability issues and commitment issues from their end towards you. Okay, so I think this is your reading. So those people who have actually felt that this was your reading, and if you want some more clarification, you can connect with me on my Instagram account by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there for a personal reading. Okay, so that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.